sorry, I'm freezing cold. It's spring. It's spring already, and it's 20-something degrees outside. We had rain this morning. We had snow. Yeah. But anyways, I'm here to bring you guys the Walmart Beauty Box. Now, it actually says Walmart Beauty Box on it, which is awesome. So this is the spring box. I've actually had this for a week. I just wasn't feeling like filming, but it feels kind of light inside. So we will see what we got. But I absolutely love the Walmart Beauty Box. I've had this subscription for, I can't remember how many years. I've had this subscription for years, but I love it. It's $7. You get it 4 times a year, and one thing I love about it is it gives me samples. I've been really into using a lot of those samples, and it gives me travel size items. So yeah, so if you guys are looking at the Walmart Beauty Box, $7, that's what, 28 bucks a year? Definitely go ahead and get it. So let's just dig in and see what we got. And what? Okay, so they always give you a little card of all the items that are inside. I feel like these are less and less items in here, so let's just dig in and see. One thing I've been really using a lot lately is like all the mascara. They always send you like full-size mascara. So, okay, so here we have some press-on nails. I've never used the press-on nails, but I like it how you can like put your nail here and see. So we have the Sally Hansen press-on nails. It says this is $7.48. Styles may vary. I wish I had like the color that they had on here. But yeah, so right here, I got a box for $7, and this is $7.48. We have some press-on nails. I don't know if I'd wear these. Could you see me wearing those? I don't know. I kind of want to try it, but yes. And then we got that. We also have a little sample of deodorant. Now this is perfect for me for at school. I work at a school. I'm outside when it's gonna be super hot coming up probably next week. I don't know. But this is like perfect. This is actually a sample that you guys can get in the travel size section. So let me just see. It says the full price is $6.12, but this one is the, oh, it says it's $12.99. I know they sell this like in the travel size section, usually about $3 or $4, but this is the Sexy Intrigue, which I actually really liked it. So we got like a little spray deodorant. The next thing I got is NYX Face Glue. It's a gripping primer. I don't know about gripping primer. They said the full bottle is $8.97. This is just a tiny little one. I don't know. I like using primer for like my eyeshadow, but that's pretty much it. So I don't know about this. I don't know. But yes, it says it's a makeup gripping primer. It just sounds gross. Just sounds gross. Here we have another full-size item. We got the CoverGirl. This is the Lash Blast mascara. This full size for this is $12.99, and this is a full size. This is one I haven't seen before. Cloud Cover. It is super black, which I like. But yes, I'm definitely going to use this. I've been really liking it. I love getting the mascara. And I feel like we get mascara like at least twice a year in these boxes. So we got that. And the next item I got is the CeraVe Gentle Hydrating Shampoo. Now, I wish they would have gave me a conditioner also, because I would have totally used this. But yeah, Gentle Hydrating Shampoo. I will try this. It says the full-size item is $9.97, but yeah. Walmart, you should have gave me both. Like, why not give me both? Like, that's just so weird. But yeah, so that was everything in my box. It looks like everybody's getting mascara and everybody's getting the press-on nails. And then it looks like some people might be getting Nair strips and a Makeup Revolution baking powder. So, getting a little bit less on the items, but I'm still not complaining because I got a $13 full-size CoverGirl, and then I also got a, $7.48 nails. So those were the 5 items that I got for the box for $7. I think that's a great deal. If you guys got these items, let me know. Or if you got something different that's not on this card, let me know. I'm curious. But for $7, I love it. So this is the spring box. Summer should be probably coming a lot sooner. Usually they have these out before the season even starts, but we're already like 2 weeks in. But again, if you guys enjoyed this Walmart beauty box, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.